Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B18C2, signifies a left BSI alert indicator output error in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This code relates specifically to the vehicle's BSI, or Blind Spot Information System, which includes components that alert the driver of potential obstacles in their blind zone. The left BSI alert indicator is located in one of the side mirrors and is crucial for providing visual alerts to the driver. When this DTC is present, it indicates a malfunction in the output signal from this indicator, which may lead to failures in the vehicle's alerting capabilities. The BSI system enhances safety by preventing accidents caused by unseen vehicles during lane changes or merges. Proper identification of this error code is essential for ensuring the full functionality of the BSI system. The left BSI alert indicator is a critical component mounted in the left side mirror of the Honda Odyssey. Its primary function is to illuminate warnings when vehicles enter the driver's blind spot. This visual alert helps prevent collisions, enhancing overall driving safety. The DTC B18C2 indicates a problem with this output signal, meaning the indicator may not be functioning as intended. Diagnosing this issue involves checking the 2P connector and its connections to both the BSI control unit and ground. The left BSI indicator ensures the effectiveness of the blind spot information system by providing timely alerts, which is essential for safe lane changes. Several potential causes can lead to the appearance of DTC B18C2. Firstly, an open circuit in the wiring between the left BSI alert indicator and the body ground can disrupt the flow of current, leading to indicator failure. Secondly, the left BSI alert indicator itself may be malfunctioning due to internal faults, which would require replacement to restore function. Lastly, poor connections at the connectors can result in intermittent signals that may not trigger alert indications properly. Each of these issues should be systematically checked to diagnose the source of the error accurately. Careful inspection of the wiring harness and connectors is crucial, as these components are prone to wear and tear over time. Symptoms associated with DTC B18C2 primarily focus on the performance of the left BSI alert indicator. A significant symptom includes the absence of any alerts from the left indicator when it should activate, potentially leaving drivers unaware of vehicles in their blind spot. Additionally, intermittent alerts may occur, suggesting poor connections that can lead to inconsistent operation of the system. If the issue persists, a scan tool will likely indicate the presence of DTC B18C2, confirming the need for further investigation. Recognizing these symptoms early can help avoid hazardous driving situations and ensure the effective operation of the vehicle's safety features. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B18C2 involves clearing any existing diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This tool enables technicians to not only erase DTCs, but also check system functionality by resetting the indicators. After clearing the codes, it is crucial to turn the ignition switch to the on-to position and allow it to remain in this state for approximately 10 seconds. This waiting period ensures that the system can establish a new baseline for checking future DTCs. Following this, technicians should check to see if DTC B18C2 reappears, which will indicate whether the issue is ongoing or if it was an intermittent failure. This step is fundamental as it helps determine whether further diagnostics are necessary. After clearing the DTCs, the next step is to check for any codes once again using the HDS. This is essential as it determines if DTC B18C2 has reappeared in the system. If the DTC does not indicate, the issue may be an intermittent failure, suggesting the system is functioning correctly for the moment. This can often point to possible loose or poor connections within the circuitry, which may need additional inspection later. Conversely, if DTC B18C2 is indicated, it confirms a persistent problem that requires further troubleshooting steps to diagnose effectively. Engaging with the HDS is critical in understanding the current state of the vehicle systems and ensuring thorough diagnostics. After confirming the presence of DTC B18C2, the next troubleshooting step requires turning the ignition switch to the lock 0 position to ensure safety and prevent electric shock during inspection. Following this, the door mirror cover must be removed to access the left BSI alert indicator. The cover is typically held in place with clips or screws and should be handled carefully to avoid breakage. This step is critical as it exposes the connector terminals for further testing. Accessing this area is essential for checking the electrical connections related to the indication system. Technicians must exercise caution while removing the cover to maintain the integrity of the components beneath. The subsequent step involves measuring the resistance between the left BSI alert indicator 2P connector terminal number 2 and body ground. This is a critical measurement that should yield a reading of less than 1.0 ohm. Resistance testing is essential to ensure the electrical circuit is complete and can effectively transmit signals to the left BSI alert indicator. High resistance or open circuits could indicate problems with the wiring or connectors, which could lead to failure in the indicator's performance. If the resistance is within the specified range, it points towards effective grounding. If not, further investigation into wiring for breaks or damage is warranted. Ensuring proper ground connections is crucial for reliable operation and avoidance of false errors. Once the resistance is confirmed as per specifications, the next step is to turn the ignition switch back to the on-to position to conduct a voltage measurement. This must be done within 3 seconds of turning the ignition on, where the voltage should be measured between the left BSI alert indicator 2P connector terminals number 1 and number 2. The voltage should remain between 12 volts, or V, and 1 V for the 3 seconds, and then drop to 0 V. This measurement ascertains the electrical functionality of the left BSI alert indicator. If the voltage behaves as expected, it indicates that the indicator is likely faulty, necessitating replacement. However, if the voltage does not meet these criteria, it suggests further issues possibly related to the BSI control unit or additional circuits that require further checking. If the voltage does not meet the stated requirements, the troubleshooting process continues by turning the ignition to the lock 0 position again. This precaution ensures that the technician can safely work on the vehicle's electronic systems. After confirming the ignition is off, the next step is to disconnect the BSI control unit 16P connector. This action is crucial as it allows for further testing of the left BSI alert indicator without interference from other electronic functions. Disconnection enables concentrated troubleshooting to ensure accurate diagnosis of the left indicator's functionality. The technician can then perform resistance checks and other diagnostics on the BSI control unit separately to identify any failures within the system. After completing all necessary repairs or replacements related to DTC B18C2, it is vital to conduct a final verification of the left BSI alert indicator and the BSI system as a whole. This involves rechecking previous resistance and voltage measurements to ensure everything falls within specifications. Additionally, the technician should ensure that the left BSI alert indicator operates correctly in real-world scenarios, such as when vehicles enter the blind spot. Proper final checks guarantee that the problem has been resolved and that the system functions as intended. If the system fails to perform correctly, the technician may need to revisit previous steps or check for additional issues. Adequate verification ensures both safety and the reliability of the Honda Odyssey's BSI system. For long-term reliability of the blind spot information system and prevention of future DTC B18C2 occurrences, regular inspections of the left BSI alert indicator and its associated wiring are strongly recommended. This should involve checking the integrity of the wiring harness for any wear or damage that could lead to ground issues. Additionally, securing and cleaning all electrical connectors is vital, as poor connections can cause intermittent errors. Technicians should educate vehicle owners on the importance of timely maintenance and addressing any warning signals promptly. Routine checks can help ensure the BSI system maintains its functionality, ultimately contributing to enhanced driver safety. Keeping the BSI system in optimal condition is essential for the effective operation of the vehicle's safety features. To summarize the troubleshooting guide for DTC B18C2, it is clear that diagnosing the left BSI alert indicator output error demands a systematic approach. Each step is critical in not only identifying the root cause, but also ensuring that the BSI system operates flawlessly. Emphasizing the importance of checking connections and the functionality of both the indicator and associated circuitry is essential for effective resolution of this error. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of future issues arising. Vehicle safety is paramount, and maintaining the integrity of the blind spot information system is crucial for protecting both drivers and passengers. By adhering to these guidelines, technicians can ensure the Honda Odyssey remains safe and reliable on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.